Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Handcraft at Home. Today I will show you straight stitch. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. There is a button right below in this video and press the bell icon to get more updates. Share this video with others. So viewers, হয়ে গেল আমার স্ট্রেট স্টিচ। আমি এখানে সালোয়ারের নিচে ডিজাইনটা করেছি। তো যদি আপনাদের আমার ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমার ভিডিওটি লাইক করবেন। I love to connect with and help my subscriber and new viewers, so if you have anything specific that you would like to see, then leave me a comment below. Hope you like, give me a thumbs up. We'll be coming up soon for more videos. Be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. You can visit my blog Women's Household for link. Check description below. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.